Hey, Pied Piper of Hamilton here, back with some Canadian snacks. Now, I don't know where this one came from. I'm not even quite sure how to pronounce it. Um, it's Rainforest Chips Cassava chips. I got these through Food Bank. So a couple weeks ago. Um, yeah, I'm not even sure what these taste like. These are a definite mystery to me. So I'm not even sure whether you call them a Canadian snack, but hey, I'm here in Canada. I got them. So to me, they're a Canadian snack, although I've never seen anything like them before anywhere. So I don't even know where you're getting. Although, oh, it does say up here, the Dollarama thing. So maybe these are gotten at Dollarama. Or maybe I did get these at Dollarama. I don't know. Let's open them up and check them out. Neat smell. I'm not sure how to describe it. Huh. Taste the oil on them. A bit of salt. They almost taste like a Pringle chip, but a little plain Pringles, but thicker. They do taste decent. You can taste some salt on them, of course. I think you should with potato chips. So yeah, these look like they're supposed to be gluten-free, vegetarian. Is that? Oh, they're supposed to be vegan chips. So I don't know how, potato chips wouldn't be vegan. Maybe they're made from potatoes. Maybe it's some of the oils that might be cooked in normally. But maybe this is like vegetable oil or whatever, cooked in vegetable oil compared to some sort of animal fat. So, but yeah, I've tasted this, and I would say these are pretty good. So, not being a vegan or whatever, it says slightly salted. If you find these, I would recommend them. They're not too bad. They're not horrible. No, of course, they're not the greatest chip I ever tasted, but then again, as I've said before, I don't think there's been a chip I've ever found that I didn't like. So I guess that's it for this Rainforest Cassava. Later, Gators.